So, gentlemen, how are you maintaining your safety razors? Today's video is sponsored by my father, who brought to me his Fatip Grande open comb. I hope you can see it's not in the best shape, and the gold plating on the combs is pretty disturbed, and also the handle is pretty greasy, probably from hands and other misbehaviors, but at least I'm very glad to see that he obviously didn't save this razor by any means. So you can see on the bottom side it is pretty scruffy and pretty dirty, so I decided to make a little bit of videos, because when I got this for him I wasn't into YouTube filming, and it would be a good opportunity for all of us to see how do I clean up my safety razors. And just for a teaser, I'm using these hotel brushes. As you can see, I have one spare, and this one is actually the one which I'm using frequently. So it is very nice, very practical. You can fold it, you open it, and you just perform some light brushing. Ideally once per week when you switch the blade, so I will show you in a second how this really works. Alright, so before I continue, I will just show you a little bit the condition of the handle. I filled this small bowl with hot water, so you can see there is a lot of shaving soap residues, but still the plating is pretty nice. I think he also uses the creamy hands from the aftershave skincare products, so it is pretty greasy under fingers. Also, the comb is not so terrible as it seemed, but you can see a lot of these tiny scums. So let's put everything in here. I will wet the brush and use some regular liquid soap and perform this light scrubbing. It is also very good for this between the combs cleaning. And I also use this once per week. I was using in previous times some other much harsher brushes and peeled off that black coating from my Fatip Piccolo Special Edition. But from the last holiday we got a plenty of these disposable hotel toothbrushes. And as you can see, it is very nice and very convenient, because you can fold it so it's not taking too much space in the bathroom. And let's put this to a side. We will switch to top cap. I will add a little bit more liquid soap. Now, as far as I read on forums and saw on some YouTube videos, people would use the liquid dish detergent as well, but I think that liquid soap is just good enough, because you just want to degrease the razor from your hands, shaving soap, cream, and it is, in my opinion, less aggressive than dishwasher, so you're pretty safe that you won't scratch the surface of the razor. And these bristles are just nice Goldilocks between the firmness, so you can really scratch the razor properly to clean all sort of dirt, but it is not that harsh that you will damage something, so I will go a little bit more diligent on the handle. I saw some residues right here in these rings. And this will be it. I will rinse everything, dry it, and we will switch to the main camera so I can show you the results. Let's check the results. As you can see, it is pretty shiny right now, especially in these grooves, in these rings. It's not so dry as I wanted, but I also didn't want to go too aggressive with the scrubbing. The top cap, pretty clean. Also on the bottom part, as you can see, still just a little bit of lime scale residues, but I don't want to go too harsh on the first scrubbing. With one or two cleaning it will be much better shape, so this is also very good point to highlight how great the Fatip gold plating is compared with the black one. So thread is working magically, and this is the reason why I prefer Fatips over some other razors, because you get the nickel plated brass, which is very durable material, so even if you lose coating it will not rust, it will not degrade the thread, so everything is pretty nice, pretty clean, polished, so very beautiful razor to look at. As you can see, it has some mileage on it, and this is very pleasing to me because I know that my dad really used this one for quite a lot of time. When I asked him, do you prefer Grande or Mula R41, he was undisputed. He actually told me that he cannot cut himself with neither of these two razors, so maybe I will compare them as well in some next video. So, for the record, use the nice soft toothbrush, use hand soap, just regularly wash your safety razor, and you will have a lot of years of usage. Until next time, stay tuned and like and share Wicked Whiskers. Thanks, bye.